Can successful investors predict changes in the market? Let's take a closer look. Hey, I'm Brandon Rogers with Mind Your Money, where education is key to a successful financial future. So let's take a look at a couple different dates that happened, obviously, in the past 20 plus years and more, and some major swings. Obviously, I'll bring up some of these dates and I'll probably create some heartache, but the first one we're going to look at is on October 19th, 1987. The Dow fell actually 508 points, which is about a 22% decline in one single day. You know, some of the reasons for that were program trading, overvaluation, and then also just psychology of the individual investor, really, making knee-jerk reactions when they shouldn't and selling off, right? That's one major thing. September 17th, 2001 is the next one we'll look at. It's obviously right after September 11th when the stock market was closed for a couple of days for those events. When it first opened up, the Dow fell 685 points. To that date, it was the biggest one-day decline in history of the market at that time. Then let's look at October 6th, 2008. Obviously, this is the most recent one, the financial crisis. It still brings some pain back just to think about it. Dow fell 1,874 points in just a 5-day period of time. So it's the worst weekly decline still to this date in the market, and it's still really up to some debate on what really caused it. So again, with all three of these dates that we're looking at, they all had three different causes, and it's really important to try to look at this. The only thing that really had in common is that nobody really predicted it, right? So it caught all of us by surprise. So, what are some things that you can do? Is there a secret to success when it comes to the investing? Well, when you look at it, you really want to look at your risk management, make sure your risk is in check, obviously, with some of the turmoil that happens in the market. A lot of things recently are especially with the coronavirus here recently, are putting a lot of fear in the market. So, these are kind of knee-jerk reactions, and you have major crazy days intraday. I mean, we've had crazy weeks just the past 2 years where the market's been up, one day and then gives it all back the next. So, in major 100-point swings, almost seems like it's the common thing happening now. So, again, follow a smart plan of investing. All right, have a strategy in place, and then also make sure you're on plan. Again, we always talk about being on plan because we never really know. We want to be prepared out there, but always just make sure you're on plan, your own goal within your financial plan, and that's really the key to that end. And try to take the emotion out of it as much as possible. But thanks for joining us today. Make sure you like us on Facebook, follow us as well, Twitter, LinkedIn, and then also our YouTube channel as well for more of these videos as they come out. But again, thanks for joining us. I'm Brandon Rogers with Mind Your Money.